Hey there. Tired of logging into multiple banks to pay bills? Paying bills with Schwab's online banking is integrated, free, and can be automated from the same place you manage your investments. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. In your Schwab account, go to Transfer and Payments and select Bill Pay. Click Add a Payee and enter the company name or your account number with them. You can send electronic payments or have Schwab mail a paper check. You can schedule one-time payments or set up recurring payments for bills like your mortgage, utilities, or credit cards. My crucial pro tip? Use the Send Payment After Trade Settlement feature for investment bills. If you're paying a bill with money from a stock sale, you can schedule the bill payment date for after the trade settlement date, T+2. This prevents failed payments due to unsettled funds. That's how you centralize and automate your cash management with precision. Do you use your bank's bill pay, or do you prefer each vendor to auto-debit you? Let me know your method in the comments. For more guides on automating your finances, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.